Looking for a way to water the garden without ever turning on the faucet? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a fun project that'll save water and money too right after this.
When your backyard feels like a private resort, every day is like being on vacation. So enter the Backyard Paradise contest at todayshomeowner.com for a chance to win your own luxurious landscape. The pros from Pavestone and Quikrete will design a project just for the winner's home and help Danny and his team install it. Plus, the whole process will be featured on an episode of Today's Homeowner. So get your yard ready for summer. Complete your entry right now at todayshomeowner.com/backyardparadise. Brought to you by Pavestone and Quikrete.
If you're looking for a place to reduce water consumption, then landscaping is probably it. A rain barrel is a great tool to replace that water usage because it allows you to harvest rainfall to water the landscape. Start with a sturdy 32-gallon plastic garbage can. Drill a hole near the bottom to install a spigot so you can attach a water hose to it later. You'll need rubber washers on the inside and outside to seal it. Next, cut a hole in the top for water to enter from a downspout. A strainer basket installed here will keep out the unwanted leaves and twigs. It's also a good idea to use something like zip ties to seal the lids so that kids can't fall in. When the barrel is full, hook up the hose and you're watering, free of charge. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.